Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from eToro to your bank account. First, open the left menu and click on Withdraw Funds. Next, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and click Next. Now, you'll see two options: withdraw to eToro Money or use a different method. Here, fill in your bank details like your first name, last name, currency, country of your bank, and IBAN number. Once done, click Submit. Double check your details when prompted. Then click Confirm. You'll then see a message saying, "Thanks, we've got your request." To check the status, you can visit your cash flows page. Just remember, this isn't an instant transfer. It may take some time. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from eToro to your bank account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.